2 episodes of the same. I'm trying to.
Almost 5 o'clock. Wednesday, 5 o'clock. That was Tuesday. So I take the garbage out to the front door today, and it's still raining. And they want to snow. They want it to snow tonight. 1 or 2 inches. So, hey, we got to get going in about 10 minutes. Let's see if she cleaned up anything.
Right now, I'm trying to find. I have 2 episodes of the same. I'm trying to.
Somebody needs to clean their room. Look, Jeffy's room's even in better shape, less messy than Jenny, except for these boxes. These boxes are pretty much my fault. I gotta go through those and get those out of the way. Actually, I might do that tonight. So yeah, an autistic 9-year-old's more organized and clean than a 51. What did they say? I think she has Asperger's, is what they said the other day. Boom, boom. What was that?
Trainer, and I don't take cases that I don't.
Most exciting thing on today. God, it's boring. Hopefully, day after tomorrow, this will be all dried up. We can get some new sod put in over there. Have the gas company take a look at that little light fixture out there. See if we can have that replaced. And a bunch of yard work in the back. Well, now I'm working on the YouTube channel, but it's been sitting here for about 4 or 5 minutes. And it's still trying to load the page. Now it's trying to come up. Boy. What's up, Roadrunner? $49-50 a month and everything for 20 megs, and we're only getting 1 or 2? What the heck? How many times do I have to unplug the modem? Actually, it's a built-in wireless modem. Let me turn on the light here. And here, built-in wireless, and of course left the TV on. Boy, we don't have much light in this den here. We'll have to work on that this summer, hopefully. Let's see. This one here, it says wireless is on, but for crying out loud, it's like 1 or 2 megs, if even that. But then again, I think I see why. They put a splitter in line. That's not going to help.
Yo les dejé el espía ahí amarrada. Que no le eche la culpa a la gente si no está seguro, porque dice que es fulano, que es sultano. Espía, ya me voy, espía, ya se va a tomar el todo matador. Llega de mí para buscar porque mi radio tiene arriba de las 695. No sé si el tuyo tenga para desplazarnos a otro lado, Hay radios que no traen más de que las 695. Permíteme. Vamos viendo si sigues escuchando, échale. Escuchando, caballero, y yo soy un hermano que saluda a nuestro noble y acreditado igualmente para
Southeast Florida's #1 smooth operator. Doggone sunny shores of Florida. Bassmaster State, Bassmaster God. Come on, little girl. Take us out.
Southeast Florida's #1 smooth operator, the Bassmaster.
That's that old Bassmaster. We got that thing on it, all right?
You are 5x2, 62, nice to meet you, Jim. Have a nice evening. 53, bye-bye. Station, please call sign again. A little bit difficult your audio, but I think I got it. November 0, Lima Radio, Germany. November 0, Lima Radio, Germany. Thank you very much for Missouri. That's Missouri, mobile, verify contact. What is your name, please? Your name? Frank, Fox Radio Alpha November, Kilo Roger. Find contact, Frank, with your mobile station in Missouri. Thank you, please, and good night from the